Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create automation on Mailchimp. Automations are powerful tools that allow you to send targeted emails to your audience automatically. This saves you a significant amount of time and ensures your subscribers receive relevant content at the right moment. We'll cover everything from setting up your first automated journey to optimizing its performance for maximum impact, helping you connect with your audience more effectively. To begin, log into your Mailchimp account and find the Automations section. Here, you can select from various pre-built customer journeys, like a welcome series or a birthday message, or choose to build a custom automation from the ground up. Next, you'll define your target audience and set the initial trigger that starts the automation, such as a new subscriber joining your list. Once your trigger is set, it's time to design the flow. You can add multiple email steps, introduce delays between messages, and even incorporate conditional logic to send different emails based on subscriber behavior. Remember to personalize your content using merge tags to make each message feel unique. Always test your entire automation thoroughly to ensure everything works as expected before you activate it. For advanced optimization, consider using a /B testing to compare different subject lines or email content, helping you discover what resonates best with your audience. Also, segmenting your audience allows you to send even more targeted and effective messages, improving engagement rates significantly. Before you go, make sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for making meal prep easy, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.